Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I feel great today. Thank you for asking. Yeah. So today we are going to learn something new. But before we study, it will be good for us to pray first. Okay, Evan, lead the pray. Before we are studying, maybe. Yeah. You wanna go home first before we study. Okay, thank you, Evan. Concentrate, Evan. We just want to, we just start to study, not going home, yeah. It's still a long time, okay. Yeah. Now, karena Evan tadi ada kesalahan ya, disangkanya mau pulang. So, now I want you to stand up, please. Yeah, before we study, it will be good for us to move your body first. Yeah, I want you to have a little exercise. It's just a little exercise. Move your body to the right and to the left, up and down. Okay, are you ready? Ready. Move your body. Sing together. Okay? Yes. Good. Move your body. Move your body. I want you to move your body. Hello everybody. How are you today? Time to move your body and learn and play. Hello, my teacher. How are you today?
I am gonna listen
To what you say.
hello to my friends.
How are you today?
I am gonna share my
Just with you today.
shake your head, yes.
Shake your head now. Shake your head, yes.
Shake your head now. Lift your arms up. Arms down.
Good.
Lift your arms up.
And shake it all around.
Again up. Lift your arms down. Lift your arms up.
And shake it all
Then
around.
to the left.
Left, left.
The right.
Yeah, good.
Then to the left. Then to the right.
Hello everybody. How are you today?
Time to move.
Your body and learn and play.
Hello.
To my teacher, how are you today?
I am gonna listen to what you
Say.
hello.
To my friends, how are you today?
I am gonna share.
My choice with you today.
I hope everybody will have a good day.
Yeah, thank you. Sit down, please. Good, yeah. I want you to burn your spirit first before we are studying today. Okay, before we study, I want to check your attendance first, yeah. I will call your name and then you say present. Good. Aat Rahmawati. Aditya Maulana. Ahmad Raihandi. Alif. Amanda Imroatus. Anna Septia. Arfan Maulana. Bisma Romadoni. Clarissa Octavia. Dinda Utami. Elsa Luciani. Fahmi Yazid. Faris. Ina Kasina. Intan Anita. Azmi Hujaji. Maulana Rizky. Mega Amalia. Muhammad Ibnu. Muhammad Rifana. Muhammad Alan. Muhammad Iqbal, Muhammad Rizky, Nasripah, Naila, Putra Adi, Rehizah, Resa Silviana, Rio Satrio, Rizda, Rizka Putri, Sunarto, Tisha, Widya, Bulan, Zahra. Okay, good. Everybody's here, yeah? Nice. Yes. Okay, now before we are study, I want to ask you, what did we learn last week? Yeah, we learned about descriptive text. What descriptive text it is?
Tourism destination.
Yeah, tourism destination. Today we are going to learn about text again, but it is a little bit different with descriptive. If we are learning about text, so we will also learning about generic structure and the language feature of the text. Yeah. For descriptive text, the generic structure are identification and description. And then the language feature is very simple. It's just a simple present tense and then adjective. Ya, adjective is kata sifat. Kata kerja itu verb. Ya, oke. Today, before we learn about everything about narrative text, I just tell today we are going to learn about narrative text, but I want you to watch the video first. Yeah, this is the video. Pay attention to the video.
A long time ago, there was a child named Malin Kundang who lived with his poor father and mother. They lived in a village on the beach. It was a small and quiet place, and many people had migrated to the cities to find more money. There wasn't much to do in their village. The land was arid and the fish in the sea were not plentiful. Malin Kundang liked to play. All he did every day was just chase the only chicken his parents owned, Burik.
There you are, Burik. Come here. Ha ha ha.
Little Malin kept chasing Burik.
Torture.
One day, Malin Kundang's father said that the neighboring country is prosperous. Making money there is very.
I'm leaving, Malin.
Said Malin's father.
Yes, Dad.
Malin Kundang's father immediately bought great. So Malin and his mother stayed in the poor village. Day after day went by. No boy ever knew. Malin's mother also had harder to meet.
Come on, please buy it.
Yelled Malin's mother while selling her stuff. Meanwhile, Malin was still chasing Burik. One day, when he tried to catch Burik, he suddenly fell. Over a stone and fell very hard. That was scratched by the stone. mother immediately treated him with great affection.
This wound will heal. Scar will remain.
Oh no!
Days became months, months became years, and years passed quickly. Noticed, Malin was now a handsome, strong young man. He began to get bored in his quiet life. He wanted to travel like his father.
I will sail the sea like my father.
He said. Then Malin Kundan tried to ask permission from his mother.
Mom, let me go abroad, just like father.
Said Malin Kundan to his mother, who immediately became.
My son will not return. While the only child I have, don't come back. Who I live with?
Worried so much about Malin.
Don't worry, Mom.
Answered.
I promise I'll be back. I will become a rich man, and you live with me.
Finally, nothing could be done by his mother. Malin Kundan insisted on leaving. He went onto the ship and put in a wooden chest. The ship sailed, but in the middle of the sea, pirates stopped and hijacked. The ship's crew were killed by the pirates. All the essential items.
We're under attack! We're under attack!
Malin Kundan survived because he hit the chest. When he came out from hiding, the ship was stranded on a beach. Luckily, there was a lush and rich village near. The port was large and crowded. Malin Kundan smiled, though his body was weak and felt it.
Here I can try my luck.
Malin Kundan worked hard, day and night. The only thing on his mind was to be. Because of his determination and hard work, rich, large ship, grew.
I'm rich! I'm rich!
Said happily on counter. One day, Malin Kundan took his wife sailing on his boat. He docked in the village port of Malin Kundan's hometown. News of Malin Kundan's success reached his mother.
Is that my son? On his ship?
With a cheerful heart, the elderly mother hobbled to the harbour.
Yes, Malin Kundan. Sure of it.
Thought Malin's mother when Malin get off the ship with his wife.
Malin, you home, son.
Said Malin's mother while trying to reach her son. Malin Kundan's wife saw an old woman who ran to them, shouting. Those were ragged, old and worn out. She asked her husband,
Who is she? Is she really your mother?
Malin Kundan was nervous. He didn't want his wife to find out that he was family. He answered his wife.
I don't know, honey. Maybe just an old beggar asking for alms.
Mother heard Malin Kundan's words. She was silent.
You do not know me, my child. I am your mother. I raised you.
Said his mother, crying. Malin Kundan became angry. Said,
My mother is long dead. Don't lie to me, old beggar.
Mother cried, and with a sad voice said,
Your Malin, my son.
even madder, he told his bodyguards to take away his mother, sobbing. In full heart, his mother prayed to God.
God, truly my son Malin I curse him to turn to stone.
Instantly, a rumble of thunder was heard, even though it was sunny. Slowly, Marlin felt something strange happen. He felt his body slip.
Oh, what's wrong with my body? I can't move. Oh, oh no!
Marlin could not realize what had occurred as he knelt. He knelt on the ground and immediately turned to stone. It was too late to him to regret disobeying his mother. Last thought was how much he regretted disobeying.
Okay, what is the story about? Malin Kundang. It is clear, yeah. This is about Malin Kundang, and there is something new that you learn from Malin Kundang. Do you heard about the chicken? What is the name? Burik, yeah. I think this one is something new. I never heard of that from Malin Kundang story actually, yeah. Okay, so Malin Kundang, what do you think about Malin Kundang? Is it a real story or it's just a legend? Legend. So it's not real. But the stone. Have you ever seen the stone that look like somebody like this? Yeah. Itu ada, but it is not real. It is the legend in Indonesia, and Malin Kundang is very famous. Legend is related to our lesson today. Narrative text is about the legend or folklore, yeah. Legend, folklore, and fairy tale, and maybe fable. Fable is about animal story, yeah. That's all are narrative text, yeah. This is the video about Malin Kundang, but we also learn Malin Kundang from books. Maybe we read it. So today we are going to learn about narrative text, yeah. So if it is about text, of course we will read a text. We will read a text, and a text is about narrative text. Narrative text is about legend or story or fairy tale or fable, yeah. Good. Now look at this one. Okay. Good. Okay, now pay attention to the picture. There are Sangkuriang, Roro Jonggrang, bawang merah, bawang putih, and the last is Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang in a different. It is a little bit different with Malin Kundang's before, yeah. That's all the legend in Indonesia which are famous. I think you heard about Sangkuriang, Roro Jonggrang, and of course bawang merah bawang putih is very famous, yeah. Good. And it is all about narrative text, and we will learn about the legend in Indonesia. Legend or folklore. Folklore like this. Narrative text. Yeah. Turn off your handphone. Silent it. Good. Okay, we will learn about narrative text, yeah. And our learning objectives today, there are two. First, after reading the narrative text, you are able to analyze the social function and structure of the narrative text appropriately. I will give you a text, and then you have to analyze it. Analyze the text. Where is the generic structure, and then what is the language feature of the text? Yeah, and then second, by reading narrative text, you are able to interpret the contents of folklore or legends by paying attention to the purpose of communication, generic structure, and linguistic features of narrative text appropriately. You can tell to me, this is the generic structure of language feature of narrative text, and this is the language feature of narrative text. What are the generic structure of language feature and of narrative text and language feature of narrative text? I will explain to you later. Yeah. This is narrative text, and then sorry. The definition of narrative text is a text that tells about sequence of events in the past. The events is in the past, sudah terjadi, ya. Malin Kundang, Sangkuriang, it's a long time ago, many years ago. But you know, I think you know everything about it. You know the story, the ending of the story, yeah. And then the next is, this is the generic structure and language feature of narrative text. Okay, I want you to read the generic structure of narrative text. Fahmi Yazid, where are you? Fahmi, where are you? Okay, Fahmi, can you read the generic structure of narrative text? Read it loudly. Kenceng suaranya ya. Can you stand up, please? Stand up, berdiri ya. Good, thank you Fahmi. Sit down please. Generic structure of narrative text are orientation, complication, and resolution. What are they? We will find out it later, yeah. And then how about the language feature of narrative text? Rahizah, where are you? Rahizah. Yeah, Rahizah, can you read the language feature of narrative text? Stand up please, because you are at the back. Stand up, berdiri. Yeah. Yeah, the language feature of, thank you Reza. The language feature of narrative text are simple past tense. Simple past tense, past continuous tense, and then adverbs of time. Yeah, good. Okay, this is the generic structure of narrative text. They are orientation, yeah. Generic structure, I will write it, yes. Orientation, and then what are they? Complication and resolution. OCR. Yeah. Can you read for me what is orientation? Ahmad Raihandi. Stand up please, Ahmad. Yeah. What is orientation? Yeah, orientation is when and where the story happened and introduce the participant of the story. I think it is very clear. For orientation, it will be in the first paragraph. Ya, when itu apa artinya? When is kapan, where di mana, and then introduce the participant, memperkenalkan. Ya, introduce the participant, it means memperkenalkan tokoh. Who is the main actor from the story? Malin Kundang is the main actor. It is in the first paragraph, and then the name of it is orientation. Good, thank you Rehan. And then complication, please read for me. What is complication? Elsa, where is Elsa? Okay, can you read for me what is complication? Stand up please and speak loudly. Biasanya kalau perempuan suaranya pelan banget ya. Complication. participants. Okay, thank you. Complication it tells the beginning of the problems. So the problem is begin. Yeah, the problem is begin. What is the story about? Like maybe from Malin Kundang, what is the problem? The story is begin from Malin Kundang going to, what is it? Make money. Going to, he wants to be rich. That's the main problem, I think. He wants to be rich in many way. Jadi dia pengen kaya tapi dengan segala macam cara. Ya, that is the first problem. And then after that, there are rising crisis, and then climax. Ya, climax. It is on complication. In complication, there are maybe not only one paragraph. Maybe there are 2 paragraphs or 3 paragraphs, or 4. It depends on the story. Good. And then the last is resolution. What is resolution? Sunarto, where are you, Sunarto? Yeah, Sunarto. Can you read for me? What is resolution? Okay, thank you, Sunarto. Sit down, please. Yeah, resolution is the problem or the crisis is resolved either in a happy ending or in a sad or tragic ending. How about Malin Kundang? Is it happy ending or tragic ending? Tragic, yeah, because Malin Kundang became a stone and then her mother is very sad. Actually, she doesn't mean she doesn't want Malin Kundang to be a stone. Actually, nggak mau ya. Orang tua itu sebenarnya tidak mau. Yang nggak mau anaknya dikutuk jadi batu itu tidak mau, tidak bermaksud. Jadi kan itu tragic, ya, mengucapkan sendiri tapi sedih sendiri, tapi memang anaknya kayak layak mendapatkan hal itu ya, durhaka, ya. Malin Kundang is durhaka. Okay, thank you. So there are 3 generic structure of narrative text. What are they again? Orientation. Good. And how about language feature? Nah, ya, the language feature of narrative text. The first is simple past tense. Subject plus subject plus verb to plus object. Yeah. For simple past tense, because this is so simple, I think it is easy for you. Yeah, this is simple. Like I will give you an example. Maybe it's about Malin Kundang. Malin Kundang chess burik. Yeah. The name of the rooster is ayam jantan ya. The name of the rooster is burik. Yeah. Where is the subject? Malin Kundang. And then the verb to chest. And then the object is burik. Okay. What is the verb 1 of chest? Chest. Okay. Ini berarti namanya ini ya. So, is it regular verb or irregular verb? Regular verb. Regular verb. For regular verb, we only add this one ya, ed, katanya tinggal ditambah ed. Ya. For regular verb, we just add ed. We just add ed. And how about irregular verb? I will give you an example. Raihan makan bakso. So, what is Raihan makan bakso in English? Ya, Raihan makan bakso kemarin. Simple past tense is about past ya, masa lalu udah terjadi gitu ya. Jadi Raihan makan bakso kemarin. So what is the sentence? Raihan ate bakso yesterday. This is adverbs of time. Yeah, we can add it or not. I think it is up to you. You can add adverb of time or not. Karena adverb of time ini hanya untuk menandakan saja. Apakah biar lebih jelas. It will make the sentence clear that Raihan sudah memakan bakso. Jadi makan baksonya itu kemarin. If you don't understand about this. Sebenarnya kalau sudah ada ini, sudah ada verb to, itu sudah pasti bahwa makan baksonya udah gitu ya. Cuman kapan? Katanya yesterday. Kan bisa yesterday, it can be last week, or it can be 5 minutes ago. Misalnya baksonya tiba-tiba habis, siapa nih yang makan? Itu Raihan ate the bakso 5 minutes ago, 5 menit yang lalu itu makannya cuma 5 menit makan bakso dia, misalnya gitu ya. Nah, how about this? Is it irregular or regular verb? Irregular. This is irregular verb. Why? Because oke. Ini banyak yang bisik-bisik ya. Padahal ngomong aja. Oke, because the words is change. Katanya benar-benar berubah ya, tidak ditambah. We can. What is the verb one of eat? Eat. The verb one is eat ya. Verb satunya kan eat. Verb satunya eat. Verb duanya ate. Ini change ya. Not eaten. No. Ya. Not eaten but ate. So for the irregular verb, maybe you have to read. Jadi kalau irregular verb kalian harus menghafalkan karena memang itu berubah ya, tidak hanya ditambahkan ed. Oke, good ya. This is for simple past tense. This is very simple. And then the next is past continuous tense. Oke, past continuous tense. Here, what is that? Subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus while. Panjang banget Ibu, it's very long gitu. Sebenarnya ini simple juga kalau kalian sudah tahu artinya ya. They are was or were. What are they? Was or were itu untuk apa sih? Was or were itu apa namanya? Ini itu to be. Good. Was or were is to be. Was is for he, she, it, and I. Don't forget. I itu pasangannya dengan was ya. And then how about were? They, we, and you. Yeah, so if the subject is he, it will be he was. Yeah. If the subject is they, it will be they were. Were, awas bacanya were, jangan were ya. If the subject is she, it will be she apa? She was. And then if it was. You, we were. I okay. Good. You have to remember this karena masih banyak yang I itu ditambah I were jadinya. I was ya, I was. Okay. And then what is thing? Apa Bu itu thing? Thing is verb ing ya. Verb ing is verb one plus ing. This is chase. Misalnya verbnya adalah chase tadi. It will be chasing. And then it will be eating. Okay, this is very simple. You just add ing. Ini lebih gampang daripada verb 2 yang irregular ya. Gitu. Terus while, when. Nah, ini ada sedikit perbedaan. There are differences between while and when. While itu artinya sedangkan in Indonesia, when itu ketika. Mirip sebenarnya, tapi penggunaannya berbeda. Kalau if we use connector while, so the first sentence and then the second sentence is sama-sama use verb ing. Ya, but if the connector is when, salah satunya itu pakai simple past tense. Iya, pakai verb to. Verb ing and verb to. If the connector is when. But if the connector is while, the sentence in the first and in the last using verb ing. Okay? Do you get it? Do you get it? Itu sama kayak do you understand gitu ya. So do you get it about past continuous tense? Yes, good. And then adverbs of time is very simple. It's about time, like yesterday, many years ago, maybe ya. Later, tomorrow, then, today, this morning, tonight, last week, every day, many years ago, a long time ago, from if it is a story like Malin Kundang, karena itu ceritanya dulu, usually they use many years ago, a long time ago, once upon a time. Once upon a time itu kalau bahasa Indonesia biasa kalian gunakan kalau mengarang. Pada suatu hari, gitu ya. Once upon a time, nah itu adalah adverbs of time. Okay, now I want you to sit with your group and I will give you a surprise. Sit with your group, discuss is making group kan ya, sudah. For student for one group. You can, the chair dibalikin. I will give you a surprise. Ya. Come on. What about you in the back? Itu udah empatan? Sudah berempat? Sudah berempat kah? Nah. We are going to Okay, good, ready? Now please take, nanti jangan dibuka dulu ya, ini kan digulung-gulung. Ya, the paper is like this, but don't open it before I give you an instruction. Ya, take one. Please take one. Sorry. Dibalikin your chair. Take one. Sorry. Nabrak. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 groups more. Hello. Nanti don't open it before I give you an instruction to open the paper. Alright, good. Okay, now open the paper. Be careful because ada yang di-cut sama ibu. Open the paper. Open it. Okay. Nah. What is it? Can you guess what is it? What are the sentence? You found the sentence, right? Is there a sentence? So many sentences. Sorry. What is it? What is it? What are the sentence? Can you tell me what is it? What did you find? Kok langsung dikerjakan, semangat sekali. What are they? Are they simple past tense, simple past continuous, or what is it? Or are they adverb of time? There are 7 sentences, right? Okay, I will give you an instruction first. Why are you so semangat sekali? I will give you an example. Look at the sentence number 1. What is the sentence? She was sleeping at her desk. Ya, itu kalimatnya ada lanjutannya lagi. You have to find the second sentence. What do you think? What is the second sentence of she was sleeping at her desk? Who wants to try to answer? Okay, Bisma, what is it? No. Yeah. What is your name again? While the teacher was explaining the lesson. Good ya. Nah, seperti itu caranya. Jadi kalian mencari pasangannya apa. Okay, what is your name? Huh? Arfan, come here. I will give you a star. Okay, from the others. Jadi sudah, do you understand how to? Nah, sudah ya. Silakan. I will give you 5 minutes and then I will ask you again. If you can answer the sentence, I will give you a star. Be careful. The star is beautiful. Ini tadi yang pertama kan, Ibu? Where is it? In the first sentence. Ready? Kayaknya udah pada ready ini. Coba. Good. Yes, I'm serious. Ready? Are you ready? Really? Oh, really? Okay. Oke. Siap-siap ya. Who wants to answer? Okay. I will read the sentence and then kalian tinggal nerusin nanti. Ya. Oke. But you have to raise your hand first. Raise your hand and then yes you. Misalnya gitu baru kamu jawab gitu. Oke? You understand? Nah, there are bell ringing. Oh. Okay, be ready. The boys were drinking beer, blah blah blah. No, I will count 1, 2, 3 and then you raise your hand. Okay. The boys were drinking beer. 1, 2. It's still 2. 1, 2. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Raihan. Okay. The boys. Okay. Raihan. Hey, Raihan. What happened? You have to read the complete sentence ya. Complete sentence from the boys. The boys itu dibaca dari awal. And then, is it true or false? Benar tidak? The boys were drinking beer when one of them started to feel dizzy. Is it true or false? It's right ya, itu betul ya. Come here, Raihan. Come here, Raihan. Raihan, come here. Take your star. Okay, prepare for second sentence. Pink. Okay. Raihan is so cute. He choose pink star ya. Itu starnya warna-warni ya, colorful star. Okay, next. Ready? Be ready. They were playing football. Blah blah blah. They were playing football. Blah blah blah. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Woo! You. Okay. Pay attention please. Read the complete sentence. Yes. The complete sentence. They were playing football. Yeah, is it true or false? True, ya betul. Oke, good. Take your star. What is your name? Mega. Thank you, Mega. Mega take a red star. I think it is red. Okay, next. Good. I was making my way home. Blah blah blah. I was making my way home. 1, 2. Can you give the chance untuk yang belum ya, dikasih kesempatan dulu. Yeah. Because you are full of spirit, pada semangat semua. Apa tadi teh? I was making my way home, bla bla bla. 1, 2, 3. The one who you Faris, okay. His name is Faris. Okay, Faris, can you read the complete sentence? Baca semua. And then okay, is it true or false? True. Okay, Faris, come here. Take your star. Be careful. Be careful. They are. Yeah. Be careful. What star do you want? Green, pink, orange? Orange. Faris, take. Be careful, Faris. Itu, ya. Next, I just want to ask. Two sentence again. Just two sentences. They were dancing at the disco. Blah blah. Not yet. I will count 1 to 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Evan. Okay, Evan. Read the complete sentence. Yeah, pay attention, please. Yeah, is it true or false? True. Okay, Evan, come here. Take your star. Okay, star. One more sentence. One more sentence. Okay. Be prepared. She was looking hungrily at him. Blah blah blah. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Ya, Bisma. Calm down, tenang, masih ada yang lain. Oke. Please read the complete sentence ya, Bisma. Pay attention, please. Hamburger. Okay, is it true or false? True ya. She was looking hungrily at him while he was eating his hamburger. Bisma, come here. Bisma. Come here, Bisma. Take the star. Nice. Okay, good. Yeah, I think it's enough, yeah. And then the last is about, what is it? Fortunately, yeah, no, it is enough because it only one more sentence, so it will be, kalau kalian jawab itu jawabannya udah pasti benar ya, yang ini. Fortunately, when the earthquake hit, the children were playing outside. Okay, good. You just learn about, what is it? Past continuous tense, ya. It is past continuous tense. This is the sentence. Namanya adalah past continuous tense yang kalian pelajari tadi. Okay, good. Now I will give you another. So don't worry, be happy ya. You can still have many stars. This is the worksheet about past continuous tense. Again, you have to pay attention to the picture. Yeah. Okay. Now I will give you the picture first. First of all, give applause to you because you are so active. Aktif banget, bagus ya. Nah, what happened to the picture? They are, yeah, you welcome. Okay. Yeah, this is the pictures. Pay attention to the pictures. Yeah, I will read the comment. This accident happened yesterday. What is accident? You can see there are crash between red cars and yellow car. Ya, ada crash. Itu accident, kecelakaan ya. Write what the people were doing at the time of the accident. Jadi, what happened to the picture, to the people around the car, yeah, around the accident. There is an example in number 1. Yeah, when the accident happened, look at that. The connector is when, so the verb will be happened. Verb 2, not happening but happened, because the connector is when. So from the next sentence you have to use verb ing. Joy was eating. Do you understand? If the connector is when, so the sentence 1 and the sentence 2 will be different. When the accident happened, happen is verb 1, verb 2 or verb ing? Verb 2 ya. And then the next is Joy was eating an ice cream. Eating is verb ing. So for the next sentence, you have to use verb ing, because the command when the accident happened is use verb 2, and then the connector is when. Do you understand? I will give you 5 minutes to finish this sentence. Yeah. There are Arthur, Sally, Peter, Maggie, Steve, Amanda. What are they doing when the accident is happened? Please, I will give you 5 minutes. Joy was eating an ice cream, and then what Arthur is doing, what Sally is doing, what Maggie is doing. Yes?
Can we open the Google Translate?
Oh, okay. You can open dictionary. Kalian bisa buka dictionary. It will be maybe Google Translate or book. It's okay, yeah. You can open Google Translate because I'm sure you didn't bring dictionary. Yeah. 5 minutes. Be careful to the verb. What verb will you use? Ya. 5 minutes aja ya. I think it's enough. This is so good. Nice. Gak apa-apa, jangan dicopot. Yes. Peter was. Ya, don't forget ya ini to be because this is past. So the to be not is but was. If Peter is Peter he. Peter kan laki-laki. So it will be he. He pasangannya dengan ya. Jadi bukan Peter is tapi it's not Peter but Peter was. No. Nama aja. The name of the people here. Ya. Riding. Ya. Good. Have you finished? Not yet. Okay. I'm going to sit down first. Arthur, Sally, Terry and Sue, Steve and Amanda. Be careful the use of to be. To be was or were, not is. Yeah. You have to remember this is past continuous tense, so you have to use was or were as a to be, not is or are. Yeah, was or were. Be careful. If there are two people, so it will be was or were. Not are, but were, because this is past continuous. Karena past, kalau semuanya yang past pasti was atau full, the to be. Oh, you have finished. Okay, have you finished?
Berartinya susah.
Tip. Oh, okay. Good. The sentence may be the sentence may be variative, yeah. It depends on your, what is it? Yeah, what you see first. Your imagination. It depends on your imagination. What are they doing? For example, Terry and Sue. You can, maybe some of you said that Terry and Sue is fighting. Maybe, yeah, fighting. Or maybe no, they are chasing each other, kejar-kejaran. Ada yang fighting, ada yang kejar-kejaran. Steve and Amanda. Some of you said that they are talking, but maybe some of you said that no, they are fighting. They are couple and then they are fighting. It's okay, yeah. It depends on your imagination. Okay, have you finished? Okay, I think some of you have finished making a sentences. I'm going to start ya. Gua akan memulainya. Ready ya, be ready. You have to raise your hand, and then if your answer is true, if the sentence is right, I will give you a star. Okay, ready? Some you at the, are you ready? Not yet. And your Rehan and friends, are you ready? Ready? Ready ya? Ready, okay, ready aja lah ya. Ready? Okay, I'm going to ask you. When the accident happened, what Sally's doing? Sally ya, Sally tulisannya di situ. When the accident happened, what is Sally's doing? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. You, yeah. Mega again. Sorry. When okay, Mega said when the accident happened, Sally was opening an umbrella. Yeah, I think it is good. No. Ada lagi? Any other? Okay. What about Yana? Because this is based on your imagination, ya. Mega said Sally opening an umbrella. Yeah, Sally was opening an umbrella. Okay, and what about you, Bisma? What do you think? Okay, it's good ya. Mega said Sally was opening an umbrella, but Bisma see it as Sally was closing an umbrella. You two are you two are correct. Actually kalian berdua itu benar, ya, because this is because it's your imagination. For me, Sally is opening an umbrella, but it's okay. Mega and Bisma can come to the front. Take your star. Yeah, Mega and Bisma. Opening and closing. Ini kayak couple ya, yang satunya buka, yang satunya nutup. Okay, thank you. Ya, so seperti itu. What I mean is it is depend on your imagination, itu kayak gitu ya. Jadi Mega it's opening, no, kata Bisma itu closing katanya. Okay, good. Okay, next. When the accident happened, what was Dan's doing? When the accident happened, what was Dan's doing? Dan. Do you see Dan? Okay. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. You, someone at the back. Sebelahnya Rehan. Ya. Read the complete sentence ya. When the accident happened, gitu. Ya. Okay, read the complete sentence. When the accident happened. Baca when the accident happened ya. Itu kan ada di situ ya. When, just read when. Ini when the accident happened. Rehan kasih tahu, tell your friend. Nah. Okay, good. Any others opinion? Really? You have okay. Any others opinion? with black mask. Ini black, ya, black, yes. When wow, interesting, ya, interesting. What is your name? Rizda, and then what is your name? Boy, hello, what is your name? Aditya and Rizda. Aditya said Dan was singing, and then Rizda said Dan was listening to the music. Ya, it was different but they are correct. Ya, jadi menurut Rizda itu lagi dengerin musik aja, listening to the music. Berarti Dan didn't singing, tidak bernyanyi. But for Aditya, no, itu Dan lagi nyanyi, singing. Okay, good. Dan listening to the music with what? With on or with what? Dia tidak pakai earphone padahal ya. With no earphone ya? Ya enggak? But maybe kita kan tidak tahu. We don't know what happened here. Jadi mungkin saja di situ ada music. Pakai speaker maybe, ya kan? Ya? Yeah? Oke. Okay, good. Rizda and Aditya, come here. Check your star. Okay, thank you. You are so happy. Next, when the accident happened, what was Peter's doing? Peter's. 1, 2, 3. Yes, you again. Iya, itu kamu sebelahnya. Okay, pay attention, please. Riding a bike. Okay. What is your name? Alif. Okay. Alif said when the accident happened, Peter was riding a bike. A bike? Bike or bicycle? Bike. Bike? Bike and bicycle, is it different or not? Beda ya? Kalau bike itu, I think bike itu motor nggak sih? Aduh, masih kurang tepat ya Alif ya. You know about it, right? Ya, you know that you are masih kurang tepat. You are wrong. Okay. Any other opinion? Nah, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I'm confused. Any other opinion? 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you. Okay, when the accident happened? Okay, it was a bicycle ya. When the accident happened, Peter was riding. Ya, mengendarai itu dibacanya riding. Tadi Alif udah benar baca riding-nya benar. Verb ing-nya itu memang dia riding saja, tidak ada yang lain ya. Karena memang mengendarai, bukan turun dari sepeda, bukan gitu. Atau jatuh juga. It's not falling, no, it is riding. But he was riding a bicycle, not bike. Okay, okay, come here. Our time is very fast. Look. Okay, thank you. Okay, next. What is when the accident happened? What was Arthur's doing? Arthur lagi apa ya itu? 1, 2. Put your hands down first. I'm confused. 1, 2, 3. Sunarto. When the accident happened, when the accident itu dibaca, when the accident ini dibaca. Arthur was wiping the glass. Okay. Sunarto said when the accident happened, Arthur was wiping the glass, membersihkan kaca. Ya, mengelap kaca. Okay, wiping the glass. Ini others opinion. or any other sentence? Oke, ada ternyata. I will count it. Ya, 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is your name? Your name first. Your name. What is your name? Rizky. Okay, Rizky. Rizky Bilar. Jadi nggak kedengeran. Oke, sorry ya. Can you repeat? When? Oke. Rizky Bilar said when the accident. Ini kata teman-teman kamu loh, jangan marah ke ibu ya. When the accident happened, Arthur was cleaning the window. Ya. Sunarto said Arthur was wiping the glass. It is the same ya, sama, and then it was correct. Dua-duanya betul. Silakan Sunarto and Rizky Bilar come here. Takut ya ada Rizky Bilar di sini. Come here Rizky and Sunarto. I'm afraid, I'm scared here. Jadi deg-degan. Ping dong biar unyu-unyu. Oke, next. Tadi Peter dan Sally, Arthur. Oke. When the accident happened. When the accident happened. What were Terry and Sue doing? Terry and Sue. Oke, 1, 2, 3. You. Oke, what is your name? Clarissa. Oke, when? Sue. Terry and Sue, ya. Terry and Sue are, what is it? Terry and Sue? Terry and Sue are? Playing run. Clarissa, are you joking? Are you kidding me? Kamu lagi bercanda kan? Oke, Clarissa said when the accident happened, Terry and Sue are playing run. Okay, from this sentence, I have to correct this ya. First, you use are. You have to use was or were, not is or are. It is not are but were ya. Itu satu. And then what run means? I don't know. Okay ya. Okay, so I will give this chance to your friend. Sorry Clarissa ya, you have to fix it. Okay. When the accident happened, what were Terry and Sue doing? 1, 2. I'm afraid. Takut. 1, 2, 3. Sebelahnya Bisma. Sabar ya, passion. Oke, when good. When the accident happened, what is your name? Fahmi. Oke, pay attention. Dengerin nih. Fahmi said when the accident happened, Terry was chasing Sue. Good. Any others opinion? Ada yang matnya? Oh, sama semua? Really? Nggak ada yang lain? Oh, oke. Ada yang lain katanya. I will count it ya. 1, 2, 3. Sunarto lagi. Sebel ya. Oke, when baca ya. Terry were running. Jadi ikutan running. Terry were running with Sue gitu. If you just use Terry berarti was, but if you use Terry and Sue Terry and Sue were gitu. If it's only Terry, so Terry was blah blah blah. Any other opinion? Ada lagi nggak tadi? Fahmi said Terry was chasing Sue ya. Oke, 1, 2, 3. Ya. Oke, nah ya, I have two version. Jadi, what is your name? Zahra. Zahra said Terry and Sue were running. And then Fahmi said Terry was chasing Sue. That two of you are correct. Tadi kalau Zahra dua-duanya disebut Terry and Sue, so it will be Terry and Sue were. Kalau sendiri Terry was. Was ngapain? Sue-nya ada di belakang katanya. Sebagai objek Sue-nya. It's okay. Zahra and Fahmi, come here. Take your star. Masih ada siapa? Steve and Amanda. And Maggie. Steve, Amanda, and Maggie. There are no purple, nggak ada purple. He loves pink. It's okay. Okay. Now, there are masih ada Steve, Amanda, and Maggie ya. When the accident happened, what was Maggie's doing? Maggie. What was Maggie's doing? 1, 2. Three. I'm confused. Repeat. Once again. When the accident happened, what was Maggie's doing? 1, 2, 3. Depannya Rehan. In front of Rehan. Okay, what is your name? Your name. What is your name? Rio ya, Rio Satrio ya? Okay, read it, Rio. When the accident happened, gimana? Okay, when the accident happened, it's not clear. When? Carrying things. Oh, okay. Rio said when the accident happened. Jadi jangan happened, bacanya happened ya. Rio said when the accident happened, Maggie was carrying things. Itu correct ya, it's correct. Any others opinion? Ada pendapat lain nggak? Oh ada, aduh. Bagus ya, your imagination is wild. Liar sekali imajinasinya. Oke, nanti dulu. 1, 2. Put your hands down. I'm confused. 1, 2, 3. Belakangnya Sunarto itu yang perempuan. Okay, what was Maggie's doing when? Okay, good. Yeah. What is your name? Wulan. Okay, Wulan said when the accident happened, Maggie was carrying groceries. Ya, it's just the same ya. Groceries itu belanjaan kan? Ya. And then Rio said Maggie was carrying things. Yang gampang aja lah things. Things itu kan udah pasti benda. Yeah. Good. But all of you are correct. So Rio and what is your name? Wulan, come here. Wulan, be careful because hati-hati. Ya. Hati-hati. Check your stars. Okay, thank you. Good, the last sentence. Siapa lagi? Oh ini couples atau siapa nih? When the accident happened, what were Steve and Amanda doing? 1, 2, 3. Ya itu. Oh, what is your name again? Yoga ya? Namanya siapa? Arfan. Arfan kok Yoga? Ya. One. Kamu lucu ya bacanya ya. Oke, when the accident happened, Steve. Oh, jadi ikutan Steve ya. Oke, pay attention. Ini Arfan ya. Arfan said when the accident happened, Steve and Amanda were chatting on the side of the road. Ngobrol di pinggir jalan ya. Oke, any others opinion? Ada? Oke, I will count it again. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. I'm confused. 1, 2. Belum, not yet. Put your hands down. 1, 2, 3. Raihan. Raihan terus. He is so fast ya, dia itu cepat banget. Dia cepat banget dari tadi ibu skip terus tapi dia ini cepat banget. When the accident happened. Oke. Habis waktunya. Nggak apa-apa, baca. When the accident happened. Oke. When the accident happened, Steve was talking to Amanda. Ini different version lagi ya. Tadi kata Steve and Amanda were chatting. Kalau kata Raihan, Steve was talking with Amanda. Sama-sama ngobrol tapi itu dia beda versi ya, cara pandangnya beda. Good. Your point of view is different but the two of you are correct. Okay, come here. Raihan and Arfan. Come here. Okay, this is the last stars for today I think because our time is over ya. Kok nggak kerasa, kok kayak cepet banget sih. Sebentar. Sombong, jangan sombong, ayo. Okay, guys. Okay, pay attention please. Good ya, give applause for you. Actually, for today, we have to analyze this text ya, but because our time is over, I will send this text in WhatsApp group. Ya, in WhatsApp group, I will send this text in WhatsApp group, and I want you to analyze the text, ya, the orientation, complication, and solution. And then in our next meeting, I will ask you about this. Okay. Good. We don't have time to play this one again. I think for our next meeting, and we're gonna play this one. This is a games, but our time is yes. What happened, Arfan? What happened? Oh. But our time is over. So to close our meetings today, I want to ask you to sing together. Please stand up. Yeah. Kita nyanyi bareng-bareng ya untuk menutup pertemuan hari ini. Stand up please. Stand up. Berdiri dulu, berdiri. Oke, ready ya? Cari yang ada aja lagunya. Stand up please, and then you have to sing together. We have to sing together, oke? Okay? Ini tuh sama, ini melatih kalian untuk reading. How to read the song, oke? Okay. Oh iya. Bentar. Oke. Okay. My chance I spent on you, wherever the time been made for two. I know it's hard to remember, harder to picture. Ayo suaranya mana? Cepet banget ibu. All of our bridges burned down. I wasted my nights. You turned out the last. Now I'm paralyzed. It's that time when we call it love, but even the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a place trying to call home. All of my chains I spent on you. Where have the times gone? It's so wrong. Telat. Ever after did exist, I would still be holding you like this. All those fairy tales are You turn your back on tomorrow, cause you forgot yesterday. Your voice. Gak apa-apa. Can execute to care. All of our bridges burned down. I've wasted my nights. You turned out to last. I'm paralyzed still. Let love at the sun sets in paradise. I'm at a place to call home. All of my chains I spent on you. Where have the times gone? Maybe it's so wrong. Where are the plans? After did exist, I will still be holding you like this. Offset one more. Dia dibaca lagi. Oke, udah cukup. Thank you. Sit down please. Oke, thank you so much for today. Ya, to close our meeting, Evan, please close it. We pray together. Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much. Kok kamu bisa kayak gitu? Ayo silakan, udah selesai, boleh istirahat. Istirahat kan ya? Bintangnya jangan hilang ya.